Here is the quadratic formula. We know that this can be used to solve the general equation ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0, although this can be solved in other ways. We are discussing sketching ax squared plus bx plus c, and the solutions to this will tell us where our curve crosses the x-axis. The other feature of the formula that is important is the b squared minus 4ac. This expression is known as the discriminant. If the discriminant is a positive number, then when we take the square root, we get a number, so minus b plus that number and minus b minus that number give us two answers. So we get two roots, or 2 points, where the curve crosses the x-axis. On a sketch, it would look like this. If b squared minus 4ac, the discriminant, is equal to 0, the square root of 0 is 0, so we only get the one solution. So we have one root, and our curve would then just touch the axis at one point. If b squared minus 4ac is a negative number, we cannot take the square root of a negative number, so we get no solutions, no roots for our equation, and therefore the curve cannot cross the x-axis.